VQM VIBANQUENTMANKA Lotion is a Korean face moisturizer designed for acne-prone and sensitive skin that focuses on calming irritation while keeping moisture levels steady throughout the day. The formula leans on PDRN, Centella Asiatica, and salmon-derived ingredients to support skin repair, which is especially helpful if your barrier is easily compromised by breakouts or treatments. Its texture is a light beige cream that spreads smoothly and sinks in quickly, so it works well under sunscreen and makeup without leaving a sticky or greasy film. With consistent use, the lotion aims to soften the look of fine lines and early wrinkles while helping skin feel a bit firmer and more elastic. People dealing with redness, dryness, or post-acne sensitivity will likely appreciate that it is gentle enough for daily use, yet still active enough to encourage a more even, healthy-looking complexion over time. Because it is formulated to suit oily, dry, and combination skin types, it is a practical choice if you want a single everyday moisturizer that can adapt as your skin changes.